Black diamonds are mysterious, bold, and unique gemstones that have become increasingly popular in fine jewelry. However, with their rise in demand, the number of imitations and synthetic versions has also grown. So, how can you tell if a black diamond is real or fake? Here's what you need to know. What is a black diamond? Black diamonds, also known as carbonado diamonds, are natural diamonds with a high number of inclusions and graphite content, giving them their distinctive dark color. Unlike traditional clear diamonds, they absorb light rather than reflect it, resulting in a metallic or opaque appearance. There are also treated black diamonds, which are originally lower quality white diamonds that have been heat treated or irradiated to achieve the black color. How to test a black diamond? 1. Thermal conductivity test. Real diamonds are excellent heat conductors. A diamond tester, which measures thermal conductivity, can usually detect whether a black diamond is natural or synthetic. However, some black diamonds may not conduct heat well due to their internal structure, so this test isn't always conclusive. 2. Scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material and can scratch glass or metal. While this may seem like a quick test, it's not recommended as it can damage the stone or surface and isn't a definitive way to prove authenticity. Magnification test. Using a loupe or microscope, you can examine the stone for inclusions. Natural black diamonds often have a dense, grainy appearance and may show internal flaws, while fakes like black cubic zirconia or glass appear cleaner or more uniform. 4. The most reliable way to confirm if a black diamond is real is to send it to a gemological laboratory, such as GIA or IGI. They can perform advanced tests to determine if the stone is natural, treated, or synthetic. Common fakes to watch out for. Black cubic zirconia, a cheap and common diamond simulant. Moissanite, hard and similar in appearance, but still distinguishable under testing. Glass or spinel, often used in costume jewelry and can be easily scratched or chipped. Conclusion: testing a black diamond for authenticity requires a mix of tools, knowledge, and often expert evaluation. If you're unsure about a black diamond's legitimacy, consult a certified gemologist. When buying, always request a certificate of authenticity to ensure you're getting what you paid for.